Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Philippine Digital Premiere of the wing van powered by Centro Manufacturing Corporation. Throughout the years, FUSO is recognized for their trusted quality, economic efficiency, solid and functional design, and committed after-sales services. FUSO, the leading Japanese brand across many markets, and Nippon Fruhoff, the leading truck body builder in Japan, with its exclusive distributor in the Philippines, Centro Manufacturing Corporation, the leading truck body builder in the market, come together to develop a game changer. So stay with us and watch out for it.
On behalf of Centro Manufacturing Corporation, let me congratulate Sojitz FUSO Philippines Corporation on the exciting new product they are about to introduce. Throughout the years, FUSO has been known for its track record of technological innovations in product development and for high customer satisfaction. These give FUSO an even stronger presence in the heavy-duty segment of the truck market. So we are indeed very glad that they have chosen our Japan-quality Nippon Fruhoff 32-footer wing van. The aluminum material used resulted in a body weight that is almost 1 ton less than its steel counterpart. The result? Either more payload or better fuel economy. Couple this with a 7-day delivery commitment from us, and you can immediately start using your FUSO wing van. Pagkakakitaan nyo na agad, no need to wait for longer importation period. So ultimately, the operator benefits in terms of lower operating costs, higher revenues, and bigger income. Surely enough to help make your business fly.
On behalf of the Nippon Fruhoff Company of Japan, I would like to congratulate Sojitz FUSO Philippines for the digital premiere of your Japan quality FUSO F wing. We thank FUSO for giving us the opportunity to develop the wing van body for this exciting new product for the Philippine market. Our local partner, Centro Manufacturing Corporation, will assemble the F-wing using Japanese technology, process, and stringent quality control standards. This will ensure that you get Japan quality for every F-wing assembly. So get your F-wing now and make your business fly.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the new F-Wing, a 32-footer wing van. With a 25,000 kilogram gross vehicle weight and a long wheelbase, the FUSO FJ2528R is suitable to our 32-footer Nippon Fruhoff Japanese wing van body. One of the new features of the F-wing body is a rear view camera that allows the driver to see exactly what's in the back. Improper strapping can damage the body of the F-wing. Thus, we added a total of 6 built-in RoRo security straps as our standard safety features. Each strap has a braking capacity of 10 tons, so it can hold firmly in place the F-wing body as the Ro-Ro vessel battles turbulent waves. A double-acting hydraulic system gently raises and lowers the side wings in place via a safety control box. Constructed out of 100% aluminum, the front and rear side gate assemblies weigh only 216 kilos, which is 78 kilos lighter than the steel version. The F-wing body also has a heavy-duty aluminum center beam weighing only 105 kilos, which is 38 kilos lighter than the steel version. The aluminum wings just weighs 457 kilos, which is also 529 kilos lighter than the steel version. All in all, the F-wing aluminum body is approximately 1 ton lighter than its steel version, making it the lightest wing van body in the market. This will surely contribute to your profit margin and help make your business fly. We need trucks to transport goods to businesses that demand them. We need trucks to bring sacks of rice to Philippine market. We need trucks to make sure our business and economy move. We need it because of its hauling capability.
Thank you very much for joining us today. Again, that is our F-wing, a 32 feet new wing van body mounted on our FUSO FJ2528R chassis. We, SFP, always focus on supporting our customers' business to be better and profitable. In line with this, we are very excited to provide our customer a very high quality wing van. The F-wing will be available at our authorized FUSO dealership. You may also visit our website at www.fuso.com.ph for more information. Again, thank you very much, and expecting our F-wing will make your business to fly high.
Congratulations, FFP and Centro, for the successful launch of F-wing.
King Laguning Carmen Puso, Ramagmanuel Mia, Isojis Puso, Among Centro, kay karerang matagupeng tamagol ken bayang F-wing.
Congratulations, Sojits FUSO Philippines and Centro Manufacturing Corporation. Indeed, a bold move towards better products for our truck business. We wish success in this new project. Kudos.
To Sojits FUSO Philippines Corporation and Centro Manufacturing Corporation. So Rafi 1, the engineering team, manufacturing team, and the sales team. Congratulations on this very exciting new innovative product. Our roads will be better for this product. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Sojis FUSO Centro, sa puso na paglusa sa bagong F-wing!
Congratulations, SFP and Centro, for the successful launch of the F-wing.
Congratulations to SFP and Centro for the successful launch of the F-wing van.
Congratulations, Sojis FUSO Philippines and Centro, on your future success. From your FUSO General Santos family.
Ready to serve the Philippine market. There's no more getting left behind. Seize the opportunity to make your business fly. Introducing the new F-Wing, a 32-footer wing van. Available now for pre-order in all FUSO dealerships nationwide.